In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to correct a reconciled deposit with a customer payment. When managing your finances in QuickBooks Online, accuracy is key, but mistakes can happen, and sometimes deposits are recorded incorrectly. If you've reconciled a deposit connected to a customer payment and realized an error, don't worry. Correcting it is simple with the right steps. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process to ensure your records are accurate and up to date. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to get started. Let's dive in. First, open your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the gear icon. Click on it. This will open a menu with various options. From this menu, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are listed, and it's the section we'll use to locate the deposit that needs correction. Next, scroll through your chart of accounts to find the specific account where the deposit was originally recorded. This could be your checking account, savings account, or any other account you've associated with the deposit. Once you've located the correct account, look to the far right of the accounts row. You'll see an option labeled View Register. Click on it. The register for that account will now be displayed, showing a list of all transactions tied to it. Scroll through this list carefully to identify the deposit that needs to be corrected. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the right one. Once you've found the deposit, click on it to highlight or select it. This will allow you to access the transaction details. On the screen, you'll see an Edit option. Click on Edit to open the deposit's details for further adjustments. Now, it's time to make the necessary corrections. Whether the issue involves the amount, the customer name, or the transaction date, update the details as needed. Be thorough here to ensure all the information is accurate. Before saving your changes, double-check everything you've updated. Accuracy is essential to maintain clean and correct financial records. Once you're confident everything looks good, click Save to finalize the corrections. And that's it! You've successfully corrected a reconciled deposit in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.